You know, fall color is across the spectrum. We have yellows, oranges, reds, but in the pear tree, we can actually get a pretty deep purple, especially in the ornamental pears that everybody loves to hate so much. But this is a fruiting pear, very, very old fruiting pear. And look at these leaves. These are as close to purple as you can get in some places. And then of course red and orange, but it's got to be one of my favorite trees for fall color because it is not the conventional yellow that we have all around us in the maples and ginkgos and whatnot here at the farm. Yeah, love fall for all the color.